is where we are going. Oh, diba? Super ganda. Hello! Welcome back to my travel vlog. I'm so tired. We just came from a 4 days Bible conference. Actually 2 weeks siya, pero we went around the north area of the Philippines. We are here in Isabela. We are trying to climb there. Hindi ko dala drone ko, so I cannot show it to you. Pero we are here at Landingan Viewpoint. There's 10 things to do at Landingan Viewpoint. That is where we are going. You have to climb those steps. You have no idea how high it is. Tapos maraming flowers. So that one is going to Baler and that one is going to Santiago, Isabela. And it's along the highway. So if you're coming from Baler, you can actually madadaanan to. I don't know where this is coming from. Yan, ito ang view sa right side ko. And sa left side ko is a lot of flowers and of course the highway. Things to note if you want to visit this place, Landingan Viewpoint. It's really beautiful. Yung mountains niya and yung surrounding area is like countryside America. If you can see it over there, it's too sunny. It's better to wear rubber shoes. We are all wearing rubber shoes. And bring some water. Bring some, if you don't want to get brown, bring some umbrella. And also wear eyeglasses because it's so sunny, especially if you happen to be here around noon. Tapos, wrong info pala kanina. It's not along the road going to Baler. You have to, I think, do a little side trip from the highway going to Baler Santiago Highway. So I'm holding this one because I don't know how to fold it. Paprom di kami. We don't know how to fold it, and I just have to hold it over here para magamit ko ng ayos. Yeah. Here's the mountains. So there's another way if you don't want stairs to go up, to use the stairs to go up. Here's the stairs. We still have a long way to go. And here's a ramp na you can use. Sabi nila dito kami dadaan pabalik para we can also experience it. I don't know what's the rope for.
Awan ti igurot.
Damit.
Ano?
Igurot kayo.
Wait.
Okay, so na-figure out ko na paano ayusin yung payong. We are halfway. The wind is strong. We are halfway now to the top. I'm gonna show it to you kung ano yung stairs yan. It is very windy. Tapos yan. Sabi ni Ate Ana, there's a floating cottage daw dyan sa mga river and we might do it later. So, tune in. Tignan mo naman yung view sa likod ko. It's so beautiful. Oh, mayroong swing. Gonna show you guys. Wait lang. Look, oh. There's a swing pala dun sa rope. Para pag pababa ka, oh. Or going up, I don't know. That's the stairs na inakyat na namin. Here we are. I survived Landingan Viewpoint. There they are, nagpipicture taking. Look at this view. So we're going to the end of the road. Okay, so ang bayad daw dito, we have reached the top. We're just going to the end kung saan sila tapos na mag-construction. Ang bayad daw dito sa Landingan Viewpoint is 25 and it's just for ecotourism fee, something like that. Oh, may kubo pala. There's a kubo. There's a much better view of the mountains. Okay, so we're done with the picture taking and the viewing. Ito pala makikita nyo sa taas. Wait lang, pakita ko pala. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo, guys. Wait lang, ipakita ko. Akita ko ng konti because this is the most beautiful view na nakita ko. The most beautiful spot na nakita ko magandang view. Wait, akyat pa ako. Dito kasi kami nag-picture taking. So there you are. The river. I think dyan ko na mag-floating cottage. And then I'm gonna do a panorama. Look at that mountain. It's so beautiful. Grabe oh. Ang ganda. Anyway, we're moving on. Oh, diba? Super ganda. Who would believe na these mountains, so beautiful, are located here in the Philippines and not in Mindanao, just in Luzon. Mindanao does have beautiful mountains, pero this is the first time na ang ganda ko nakakita ko ng magandang mountains dito sa Luzon. Hello po! So we are going down. Thankfully, wala nang araw. Behind the clouds siya right now. So, kinupit ko muna yung umbrella para makakuha ng konting sun na hindi medyo mainit. Sabi ko, sasakay ako dyan pababa. Hindi pala siya pang tao, pang bato siya or for plants. The things that they need to bring up. Anyway, here's the walk going down. Okay guys, nanginginig na yung tuhod namin pababa. While doing the walk going down, hindi mo maramdaman yung nginig. Pero pag nag-rest ka, ay ramdam mo yung nginig ng tuhod. Anyway, that's the steps going up. Ang ganda niya, diba? Parang yung nasa mga anime na mountains. It is, I don't know what time it is, pero it's past noon. That's why the sun is kinda mainit and hurting our skin. This is the second kubo. This is the part now we can see the flowers na. This part, wala siyang rocks. And the honest meron. And you can see over there, may designs yung mga plants nila. I'm climbing up again because nalimutin ko yung face mask ko. And hindi siya disposable. I bought that in Culture. I'm gonna show it to you. It's one of my faves na. Because ang ganda ng kanilang cloth. It's a weaving type. So I'm gonna show it to you. My goodness. Buti na lang naiwan ko halfway to the point na ay! Tumatanda ng lola niyo. Ayan o. Andun sila sa first kubo doon. There's the second kubo. Doing this non-stop. My heart is racing na. Tapos nandito pala sa bag ko, no? Hindi, wala talaga. Ah! Ah! Here it is! There you go! Taran! As you can see, yung weaving niya, oh. Ang ganda. So, yan tuloy. Nanginig na yung kamay ko. First time ko to gamitin yung camera ko. This is a Sony ZV. I forgot. Sony X10. Basta yung latest sa Sony na specifically made for vlogging. And I'm not sure kung anong kalalabasan ng aking mga clips. Hindi ko lang kung shaky or I don't know. Yan, one of the spot na you can take pictures. Here's the flowers. I took some pictures also over there because these flowers are gorgeous. Yung super vivid yung kanilang colors. That's where we came from. Yung inakyat namin at stairs. Okay, so we're exiting now the Landingan viewpoint. As I'm gonna summarize everything, you have to bring sunglasses, especially if you come here in the afternoon. Sunglasses, umbrellas, kasi mainit yung araw, and of course camera or cell phones if you want to take pictures, and rubber shoes. Here you go, we're wearing all rubber shoes, and water, and sabi nila meron daw ice cream at the top. Ay, diyan ka pala dumaan? Sabi nila may ice cream at the top, so we wanted to try it out. Kaya lang sabi nila at the weekend lang daw na meron yung ice cream. And then the entrance fee is 25 pesos per person, and that's for the ecological or maintenance fee nila. So that's it. Here's the entrance. Yan. Welcome to Landingan Viewpoint. Hashtag Nievland. Nagtipunan. Tourism. So, activities niya talaga is photo, opportunity, and trekking. Yan yung mga cars namin. You have to park your cars outside. So we are going inside now. Hi kids! Mickey! Say hi! Anong oras na kuya? Pero mag-lunch na kami. We're going to do the floating cottage daw. Sabi ba sa inyo? Float tayo sa river.
Taas ko na lang yung ano.
We are here in the river. Yun yung mga kubo. Yun yung mga cottages that we are waiting. Doon kami mag-chill and hang out. Sabi nila, Cagayan River daw name ng river. We are going to rent a boat. Ah! Ganda natin dito na. May beauty filter itong camera. So, sabi dun sa sign, 25 pesos per person ang entrance fee, and then there's a lot of requirements to enter this place. Pero, we didn't do any of it, so I don't know. Ano daw? Makakaano ba daw tayo, Papa? Cottage o hindi? OJ! Say hi! Ikaw, gusto mo din doon? Pinayagan ka? We are going now to the boat. Ang price daw to do the tour of the river is 300. Pero I think we're not going to do it because natakot yung, I don't know. I really don't know why. I'm gonna show you the boat. It's quite quaint. It's all bamboo with coconut leaves. Careful. So there, mag-picture taking lang kami and then go back na kami sa Santiago.
Dito nakapunta na kayo sa Marago?
Hindi na! Gawading!
Patutok!
Nag-slide ako doon. So, nag-picture taking lang kami. Here's the one spot. Saan kami nag-picture. Here's another spot. This is the Kubo. And here's another spot. Nagtipunan River going to the Cagayan River. Hello, we're leaving na. Medyo hindi pa pinupuntahan ulit ng tourism or ng tourists. So, it would be great if you guys can come here. Sabi nila pwede daw mag-swimming sa gitna kasi it is 12 meters deep daw. I'm showing you guys because tourism is starting again here in Nagtipunan. Nagtipunan nga ba? Nagtipunan or in Isabela. Quirino, bale. Di ko alam. Basta dito sa San Isabela province. We are here. We're back in Santiago and we are going to eat at Tropic. So this is recommended by our friend Anna and Karen who stayed here in Santiago for quite a bit. And they said that, I don't know where it is like that. And they said that the Buko Halo here, it really tastes good. So we're going to try it out. And we're going to eat dinner here also. We're going to eat inside.
Rice, nuggets.
Hindi po, pero kung ano,
Papitin kayo.
hindi parang per family na po yung in-order namin.
Okay.
Seven lang